Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I really wanted to use this palette. I had no idea where I was going with this look, but I really love the way this entire look turned out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. So I'm going to go in with edges and I'm going to work this onto my crease. And I'm taking that shadow and I'm really working it into the inner portion of my brows. So I'm going to go in with pinker and I'm going to also apply this onto my crease. But with this color, I'm working it right underneath the first shade. I just want a really nice transition. Now I'm going to take Big Wig and I'm going to apply that right underneath that shadow. I'm going to start off with the outer portion because that's where I want the most color. So now that most of the color is right here, what's ever left over on my brush, I'm going to slowly drag to the inner portion just for a blend. So taking a little bit of Surprise, I just want to pack that into the inner portion of the lid and I'm just stamping it on. And on top of that pink, I want to add a little bit of Trust Issues. It's just a really, really beautiful gold glitter. And I'm just touching up a little bit of this purple. Taking a little bit of Soleil, I'm going to add this into my inner tear duct. Just bringing it down. Actually, I'm going to drag this shadow up a little just so it blends. So hopefully you can see. I'm just cleaning it up with the blending brush. I'm also going to apply a little bit of Soleil onto my brow bone. So I'm going to take a little bit of Supreme and I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to go in with Big Wig as well. And I'm going to keep that a lot tighter. But I really wanted to blend in with the pink. So taking this Colourpop eyeliner and Get Paid, I'm going to apply this into my waterline. It's a really, really beautiful gold. So I'm not doing any eyeliner on the top. I just went in with some lashes and now I'm going to highlight my face with Max O Darling. I really want a bright highlight today. And for the blush, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine Blush. And I'm going to spray my face with this Wet n Wild Coconut Primer water. So I think I'm going to go in with Morphe Bite Me Lip Liner and MAC's Honeylove Lipstick. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Fenty Glossbomb. Okay, so this is the completed look. I absolutely love the way this look turned out. It's just so purple, so gold, so sparkly, and it just looks really, really good. I love the way purple looks on my skin. It's probably one of my favorite shades, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.